Module 1 Lesson 2 Introduction to Society, Community and Education, defining the basic concept, philosophical, sociological perspective and K-12 curriculum.
Good day everyone, and good day also to you, teacher Coach Jude. My name is Jason Emiliorga from Btvted major in Drafting Technology. So I am the lead teacher of Study Hub number 5, and this is my member Rizal Enriquez, Nicole Cabigon, and Danica Juan. They are my fellow members of this Study Hub number 5. So me and my fellow member will discuss the topic about Module 1, Lesson 2 in Ped 3, Teacher and the Community School Culture and Organizational Leadership. So this time, I will give the time or the floor to Miss Rizal Enriquez. She will discuss the first application.
1. Which general or worldview philosophy best describe fits with your own views of reality? Why? 2. It is said that an image is worth of 1,000 words. What might be your image metaphor for each of these world or metaphysical philosophies?
Hey everyone, my name is Griselda Enriquez from Btvted Drafting Technology 1J from Group of Study Hub Group 5. Today I am going to answer the 2 questions. First is number 1, which general or worldview philosophy best fit with your own views of reality? Why? For me, realism would fit my perspective on reality from what are happening nowadays. This philosophical theory can further enlighten my view in this world. How can there be such thing when it is not called for let happen as it will happen, since it is the reality of this approach help to determine the complicated reality that we are in and will awaken our eyes. So number 2, it is said that an image is worth and 1,000 words. What might be your metaphor for each of these world or metaphysical philosophies? For me, idealism, it could be an image depicting a person with a light bulb shape head idea, since idealism recognizing ideas, feelings and ideas more than material objects. On the other hand, an image depicting a flashlight light highlighting the real view amidst the darkness would be for realism. It focuses thing the object rather than ideals. As for pragmatism, a puzzle piece fitting the missing place, since the approach assesses the truth of meaning of theories in terms of the success of their practical application, while for existentialism is an apple on top of a box, same as to existentialism, an approach honoring of existence.
Good day to everyone. My name is Danica Juan from Btvted Technology 1J, and I am from Study Hub number 5. So I will be discussing about in the application of lesson 2. So number 1 question is which general of worldview philosophy best with your own views of reality and life? So in my opinion, for me is existentialism best within my own views of reality, because existentialism is more on the essence of reality that is subjective, and the rest is on the individual. So besides from that, existentialism is more on action, unit, and also freedom. So this existentialism helps people to become aware on their choices, their freedom to decide what they want in their life. So that's why I choose existentialism is best within my own view. Number 2 question is, it is said that an image is with 1,000 words. So what may be your image metaphor for this world of metaphysical philosophy? So for me, the image metaphor for this world of the metaphysical philosophy is the symbols of apple. It's because it symbolizes the nature of a reality So a philosophical movement that questions one's motives for life. So that is intentionally the ultimate basis of reality, indistinguishable and inspirable for human perception according to this and also the understanding that reality is construct closely connected to ideas to this metaphysical for philosophies is about the nature of reality. So that's all for the application in lesson 2. So thank you for your time. So that's all.
For me, a metaphor state that one thing is another thing. Equate those two things not because they actually are the same, but for the sake of comparison or symbolism. Because the original form of the expression, perhaps more or poetic, is a picture paints 1,000 words. Because metaphysical or philosophies or metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that studied fundamental nature or reality, the first principle of being, identity, and change, space and time, and causality and necessity and possibilities.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. My name is Nicole B. Katigan. I'm from Btvted E.T&D.T, major in electrical technology. I am from Study Hub Group number 5. For the lesson 2, research on the 4 general or world philosophies and identify each philosophers and give their individual contributions in education. So first is idealism. It is a philosophical approach that has its central tenet that ideas are the only true reality, the only thing worth knowing. There are 2 words. The first is spiritual or mental world of appearance, the world experienced through sight, touch, smell, taste, and sound that it's changing, imperfect, and disorderly. Second is realism. Realists believe that reality exists independent of the human mind. The ultimate reality is the world of physical objects. Aristotle believed that to understand an object, its ultimate form had to be understood, which does not change. Pragmatism or experientialism. John Dewey applied pragmatist philosophy in his progressive approaches. He believed that learners must adapt to each other and to their environment. For pragmatists, only those things that are experienced or observed are real. Fourth is existentialism. There are several different orientations with the existentialist philosophy. Soren Kierkegaard, a Danish minister and philosopher, is considered to be the founder of existentialism. The nature of reality for existentialists is subjective and lies within the individual. And for number 2, based on your activity, which philosophy do you like best and why? So for me, it is existentialism because it is the best philosophy. As for Jean-Paul Sartre, man is nothing else but he makes of himself. Such is the first principle of existentialism. At its core, it emphasizes an individual is free and responsible for his own existence through acts of his own will. Number 3 is how these philosophies influence the quality of education today. So the discipline of philosophy contributes in an indispensable way to the realization of 4 goals that should be fundamental to any institution or of higher learning. First is installing habits of critical thinking in students. Second is enhancing their reading, writing, and public speaking skills. Third is transmitting cultural heritage.
Summary. The study of philosophy enhances your ability to evaluate and resolve problems. It will help you to analyze concepts, definitions, arguments and problems. It contributes to your capacity to organize. The educational philosophy statement is an essential document because it conveys your most personal thoughts and beliefs on education. This philosophy serves an important role in the lives of many educators and can be a tool to help you not only craft your teachings, but also help you find a job and further your career. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle.
Thank you for watching.